In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip image in Miro. Flipping an image is great for mirroring a diagram, matching a layout, or quickly correcting orientation without leaving your board. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Miro so you know where to click, what to expect, and how to avoid common hiccups. Start by logging into your Miro account and opening the board that contains your image. Give the board a moment to load, then navigate and zoom to the part of the canvas where your image sits. Make sure you have edit access on the board so the changes can be saved. Click the image you want to flip. You should see a selection box appear around it with handles, confirming it's selected. If you've accidentally highlighted multiple items, click off and reselect just the image. Keep in mind that flipping applies to images. Shapes and text boxes are separate objects and won't use this flip workflow. With the image selected, look for the editing options that pop up nearby. You'll typically see a small pencil icon labeled Edit Image. Click that to open the integrated editor. If it's your first time, you may be prompted to open Miro's built-in editor, powered by a partner tool like Adobe Express Algis. Go ahead and confirm. The editor will appear as a panel or overlay and load your image there. Inside the editor, locate the flip controls. They usually sit in the left toolbar. Occasionally they're grouped under position or a similar section. Choose whether you want a horizontal flip, which mirrors left to right, or a vertical flip, which flips top to bottom. You'll see a live preview, so take a second to confirm the orientation looks right. Note that any text embedded in the image will be mirrored as well. That's normal because the entire bitmap is being flipped. When you're happy with the result, click Save or apply to send the changes back to your Miro board. It may take a moment to process. Back on the canvas, you'll see the image updates in place, keeping its position relative to your layout. If something looks off, use undo with Ctrl or CMD+Z to revert instantly. For peace of mind in future edits, consider duplicating the image before you flip so you can keep both versions. And if you're working in a dense area, locking nearby objects can prevent accidental movement while you adjust. That's it. You've logged in, selected your image, opened the editor, flipped it horizontally or vertically and saved it back to the board. Simple, fast, and right inside Miro.